In this video, I'll show you how to exit safe mode in Windows 11. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in run. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. And this window will show. All right. What we're going to do in here is just type in msconfig. All right. Again, msconfig. Once done typing, just go ahead over to the OK button, click on it, and this one will load. Now what we're going to do here is just basically go to the boot tab. Click on boot. Down here, as you can see, we are still in safe mode. So what we're going to do is just basically untick the safe mode tick box right here. Untick. Once done, hit on apply. Hit OK. Now go ahead and restart your computer and basically wait for it. As you can see, it is now loading. Our Windows is booted. So what we're going to do is just type in our PIN to log in. And we are out of the safe mode. All right, that's basically how you exit safe mode in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.